Honestly, most of what your team does at work every day, it's busy work. They are copying notes, replying to the same emails, answering the same question for the millionth time. Stuff that makes work feel endless without getting any real work done. But here's the solution. Nearly 80% of business leaders believe that AI automation can help with almost any decision-making process. So why not let AI handle all the boring, repetitive tasks? This video will walk you through 4 steps to use AI to automate tasks so you can save costs and improve productivity. Step 1 is to ask one simple question. What are the tasks that make your team groan? It's usually the ones that happen again and again: logging data, sending reminders, writing follow-up emails, or organizing meeting notes. These are the perfect candidates for automation. They follow a pattern, take time, and rarely need human creativity. Inside an AI-powered automation tool like ClickUp, you can easily identify these time sinks by checking where your team spends the most effort. Use dashboards or time tracking to see which tasks take the longest, and note the ones that follow the same process every time. And to make it even easier, start with the Getting Things Done template in ClickUp. It helps you round up all those recurring to-dos in one place, so you can decide what to automate first and where AI can make the biggest impact. Once you've spotted what can be automated, the next step is to find the right tools to actually do it. Think of this as hiring the perfect assistant. It needs to fit your workflow, understand your processes, and handle tasks efficiently. That's where ClickUp's context-aware AI, ClickUp Brain, makes things simple. It brings the power of multiple AI models into your ClickUp workspace. Instead of using separate AI tools for project management, documentation, and automation, you can access them all with ClickUp Brain. ClickUp also integrates seamlessly with tools you already use, like Slack, GitHub, HubSpot, and Google Workspace, so your AI-powered automations flow across every part of your work. The tool you choose should give you that balance of simplicity, flexibility, and power, so AI feels like a helping hand, not another disjointed system to manage. Once you've chosen your automation tool, it's time to make it work for you. In ClickUp, setting up automation is quick and visual. You can use ClickUp automations to build when-then rules in natural language. For example, when a task moves to review, assign it to QA and post a comment. Other features allow you to create simple automated workflows too. ClickUp's AI Calendar finds the best meeting times, sets up your meetings, and even auto-schedules your priority tasks. The AI Notetaker takes meeting notes on your behalf and automatically converts discussions into action items, setting priorities. ClickUp's Email Project Management converts emails into actionable tasks and triggers automations so nothing slips through the cracks. So start small, test it out, and keep refining. Because once it's set up right, your automations will quietly run in the background, saving over 26 hours every week. Automation isn't a set-it-and-forget-it deal. To get the most out of AI, you need the next step: to monitor, refine, and scale. So, check in regularly. Are tasks being assigned correctly? Are reminders firing at the right time? Is your team saving real time? In ClickUp, tracking performance is effortless. Use dashboards to see how automations impact productivity and where manual work still creeps in. Review your automation logs to understand what's triggering, when, and how often, so you can fine-tune every detail. And if you want that process automated too, let ClickUp AI Agents monitor it for you. They watch for overdue tasks, missed deadlines, or important updates, and can even share periodic project reports for any inefficiencies. ClickUp also has an automation library with over 100 pre-built templates. Assign tasks, move lists, everything can be automated in just a few clicks, letting you scale efficiency across your entire workspace. So that's how you start using AI to automate work, step by step. Once your team sees how much faster and easier everything gets for them, it's hard to imagine going back. And if you're ready to see that in action, try it all in ClickUp, where your projects, your team, and your AI all work together in one place. Sign up for free at ClickUp.com.